Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's recycle this acrylic at home. For that we are going to take a scissor and cutter and cut all the pieces. Now we are going to paste all of them on this cone. For this, color it using green paint and paste a bow on the top. Let's make it using pipe cleaner. So roll this green color of pipe cleaner on the pen, remove it and fold it, paste it using hot glue gun. We are also pasting this beautiful green color of pom-pom ball. Your beautiful earrings are ready for Christmas Day. Cut all the colorful fabric and we're going to combine them together. Later we are going to put the stick and put the apple on the top of it. Now we are going to wrap it together on this transparent sheet like this and tie a knot like we're doing here. Hold it from its bottom side like we're doing here. Fold it and you can tie a knot using a sellotape or normal thread as well. After this, using this sparkle net fabric, we're going to cover it from its bottom part. Now we are taking this paper. You can also take normal fabric in place of this. Now we're going to combine all of them together, put more paper and decorate it. Here we're going to make a bouquet. So we're going to put all of them together. These type of gift are best for Christmas Day. Tie a knot using green ribbon. We're also putting horns on the top of it. And look, your beautiful gift is ready for Christmas Day and it is very healthy as well. Collect some grass and leaves from your garden, fold them and make a heart shape. Make a bunch of these leaves together and start wrapping them. You can take colorful papers, print it as well and wrap all of them together. We are making a beautiful bouquet at home and look how beautiful this is looking. Tie a knot using thread and look, it's ready. Make a solution of glue and water and put the tissue paper on the top of this balloon. You can add these flowers like this and add the layer. Now let it dry. Pop out the balloon and put a fairy light and bulb inside it. Switch on the bulb and look, your lamp is ready. Let's make hanging planters using this empty can. So let's recycle them, make multiple cut and paint it. We are doing this white paint on the top of it and draw lines and decorate it more. Fill it with soil and plant it like we're doing here. Thank you so much for watching this video.